Hello everyone, in today's recording I will be showing you how to run a simple Java program, and we will also download Netbeans in our PC. So first of all we need to download JDK in our PC, so we will simply search JDK download. So here we will select this option, Java Downloads Oracle. So in this website we can see there are different options given for different operating systems. So for Linux users they need to select from these options. For Mac OS users they need to choose from these options. So I will be showing for Windows users. So we need to select this second option in order to download JDK. So I have already downloaded this JDK file, so I'm cancelling it. From here we can install JDK. So this will not pop up in your PC if you have not installed JDK earlier. So I have already installed it in my PC, so that's why I will select this yes option. So I'll be selecting next option. Here it will start installing JDK in our PC. So meanwhile we can also download Netbeans in our PC. For that we can search Netbeans download. Here we will select this first option. We need to click on this download. So here again we can see that there are different options for different operating system users. I'm showing for Windows users. We need to select this. As we can see, JDK is installed, so I will select this close option. Here in order to download Netbeans we will select this option. So I have already installed Netbeans also, so I will cancel it. From download folder, install Netbeans. We need to click on this next option and accept, then again next, and then install. So meanwhile installing Netbeans, we can also code and run our Java program on online editor. So there are different online editors available, but I'll prefer Programming as a online compiler. So here we can see that some codes are already given. So I will remove this code and explain each of the lines. In order to show a output, we need to write some lines in Java programming. First of all, we need to declare our class. So for that, we need to write public keyword. So this public keyword means this class will be accessed by anyone. So next we need to write class keyword, then we need to name our class. So here I am writing main as my class name. After writing these three keywords, next we need to give curly braces, opening and closing curly braces. In Java programming we need to give curly braces in order to show an output. So next we need to write our main method. For that we need to write public static void main, and then in opening and closing first bracket we need to write string square brackets and then arch, and then again we need to give curly braces. So we need to remember one thing, that Java is case sensitive. So here you can see that I have written public keyword in small letters, class in small letters, static in small letters, but I have written this as a capital letter. So we need to ensure that all the keywords are written in correct way. So next, in order to show a string output or any kind of output, we need to write this system class. Then we need to write dot out. Then we need to write a method called print. So here, if we want to show a string output, then first we need to give a quotation. So inside the quotation, we can write anything. We can write letters, alphabet, numbers, sentence, anything. It will give a string out, a string value output. So here I'm writing Iron Man. So if we run this program, it will show an error because I have not given colon at the end of my printing statement. So here I have to give colon. So if we run this program, it will show a string output. Here we can see that Iron Man is printed. So in next recorded session, we will also see how we can run in our Netbeans IDE. So if we don't have a PC or laptop, we can also run this Java program and use this programming website in our phone or tablet also.